Hello everyone. So very good afternoon. Welcome you all to the day number 1, shift number 1, UGC net June 2025 paper analysis. I have just taken 5 minutes extra time to collect the accurate data from the students. I was speaking only to 5 to 6 students of the shift 1 examination. I'll just give you the full details as much as I collected the question, and accurate details I'll try to provide over here. Please concentrate. So in the shift number 1 analysis, the questions were very regular areas are there. Whatever the previous year questions which I was telling, same trend has been followed in the both paper 1 and paper 2 also. Paper 2 different subject has been conducted like education and all. First there was a question which is from the data interpretation, is a PYQ of June 2024 and January 25 only, that is a percentage and ratio based, the 2-column data interpretation has been given in the shift 1. It is not lengthy, very much easy to calculate. It is not at all lengthy, easy to calculate, but in this percentage and ratio conversion, that was the only difficulty for a one question. Remaining 4 questions are easy to calculate as per the students' feedback. This is a PYQ. Please look at the 3 types of questions. One is ratio and percentage based, one is only ratio based, one is the growth calculation based related DIs are there in the PYQ. And second, the reading comprehension is on moderate basis, that is on capitalist economy, moderate. So as per them it is related to capitalist. So this may not be repeated in upcoming shifts because reading comprehension is unique for all the questions, all the different shifts. So we cannot take it seriously. RC though we cannot take seriously. Next, I'll take you through one by one. In communication chapter, movie sequence has been asked, and they are saying that there are 2 questions and there are 1 questions, like RRR movie and Bahubali, RRR and Bahubali. After that, Dangal and Maine Pyar Kiya. So the sequence has been asked. In the sequence the question has been asked. This question can be taken under the mass media communication in unit number 4, communication chapter. And in communication only there was, while sending a message to reach it to the receiver. So in the process of we are sending a message and to reach it to the receiver, finally what type of communication barrier can occur? Is it a encoding barrier or decoding barrier? Answer is not clear. Encoding barrier, and there is a question which is decoding barrier. There is option, these are options. Encoding, some are saying that it is a decoding barrier, but based on the question framing it will be decided. If it is sending related, encoding barrier. If it is receiving related, decoding barrier will be there in the answer. Next, there is a question which is related to mesh topology. When one computer is connected to another computer, in this, what type of network topology will be there? Mesh topology, bus topology, ring topology, network topology has been asked. And there is a one more option, but answer is looking like a bus topology only in this question according to the given information. Next, there is a question related to RFID, radio frequency identification. This is also communication related, or ICT full form also you can take it. PYQ it is previous year question full form, RFID full form, radio frequency. Right, and the third one, next, 5th question, water purification, like a water filtration process is there. There is a primary filtration, secondary filtration, tertiary filtration. So question was related to whether it is matching question or something. I am not pretty sure on this because different opinions are coming on this. That is, recently I have posted one short video yesterday only. That is the water quality parameters, as well as in the water quality when we are purifying, what are the methods involved? Ion exchange method, this pH value, all these are there. Now that question is there. So in that options, the tertiary chlorination, ion exchange method, as well as microfiltration microfiltration were the options which are available. Next, if you look at the question related to Trojan horse, again this is a PYQ repeated. Trojan horse related question has been asked in the ICT. Virus related. After that, there is a question which is related to electroprecipitation. Electroprecipitation, and this is coming from the people and environment. People and environment, electroprecipitation. After that, there is also a question related to Buddhapet University. Buddhapet University. I think this is Buddhapet University or Shraddhapet University, because there is a university called Shraddhapet University is there, which is a PYQ of January 2025. But they are saying that Buddhapet, it is Shraddhapet or Buddhapet. I am not confirming on this because students will not be remembering exactly. We also cannot blame them. And there is a question which is related to fill in the blanks related to radio. Fill in the blank related to radio. Radio frequency. Radio frequency. Like in ICT, usually this is a trend. Fill in the blank questions. They'll give the big sentence in that middle. They'll leave some gaps. So that from the gaps we have to fulfill based on the options. Very simple question it will be always. In fill in the blanks, if you are getting answer will be there in the question itself. Next, there is a question which is there, hypothesis characteristics. Hypothesis characteristics. Hypothesis must be simple and it must be testable. It must be precise in nature, testability in nature. So the characteristics of the hypothesis has been asked from the research. And there is a sampling types direct question which is a PYQ, sampling types related question. Sampling types might be probability or non-probability. And in research, again, this is a PYQ which I posted, covariance and standard deviation, matching. Covariance and standard deviation calculation we need to match. So covariation and standard deviation will be there where we need to calculate, like standard deviation divided by mean, which is equal to covariance. So based on that, the sequential order we need to match. This is a PYQ. Already this has been appeared in June examination as well as January 2025 examination. This sequence again repeated, same trend. And from the research, these are the thing. Next, if you see the question which is from the maths, one question is from alphabet series, alphabet, that too the coding was France. France, if we add +2, we are getting the answer as per them. If we add +2, we are getting the answer which is given by them. And second question, there is a number series related question. The number series also here mentioned as 3, 12, 36, 144. Then what will be the next? And in maths, third question is time and speed related statements. Time and speed related statements are given. Statement 1, statement 2, statement 3. One statement is 5/18 to like when we are converting the meter per second to kilometer per hour, then we require this conversion. That statement 1 is there, and there are other 2 statements. Both are all the 3 statements are related to time and speed. Which of the following are correct statement regarding it? That was the question. And there was one more question from here, simple interest, compound interest, basic question has been provided. Technically, I think this was given in the context of simple interest only, or comparison when they given, it must be related to difference. Simple interest and compound interest difference. And fifth question has not been told by anyone. Next, there is a question related to Vikramshila University. Again, Vikramshila University, which is more famous for tantric education system. Tantric education system. So that is a PYQ. Recently, I have posted a video also on Vikramshila University. And commission, education commission, match the following question has been asked. Education commission like Kothari commission, and there are Yashpal commission. So like that, whether this Yashpal is separately asked or in this question only, not sure. But there is a match the following with their respective agenda, objectives. The commission objectives will be there. List 1 and list 2 match the following. And there is also a question related to Bhaskaracharya. This matching is there now. Bhaskaracharya, Shankaracharya, Aryabhatta, related to which discipline and which topic. This has been done recently in the revision class also many times. Bhaskaracharya and Shankaracharya, Aryabhatta and their works. Aryabhatta related to maths, like their works. Their works has been asked. This is also been given. Next, there is a question related to establishment year and bodies, year and the respective bodies, such as AICTE is one which is in 1947, 1947 and 1985, which is in 1985 is Act and 47 is the establishment. But remember this, apart from the AICTE, there are three more. There are three more bodies. In this, it was expected that Indian Council of Philosophical Research and Indian Council of Historical Research and ICSSR, because this is a PYQ exactly. So whether apart from the AICTE, these three are given or any other given, no information regarding it. Next, there is a question which is related to, this is about higher education, right? Now logical reasoning. In the logical reasoning, question is directly from two questions are there. I was keep on telling square of opposition, directly one question has been asked, and in the same square of opposition, logically equivalence question. Logically equivalence question was there, and also one question related to informal fallacy on ad hominem, like there is a feminist feminist related example has been given. Informal fallacy, feminist related example. Exactly, I am not getting this example what they have given, but partially they told us. For informal fallacy, logical equivalence is one. Next, there is a three questions, right? One question is there which is related to contraposition, upverted contraposition. I believe this contraposition, upverted contraposition, looking like similar to this SOP, but square of opposition related only, because what are the subject and predicate related only, they have to ask from here. So contraposition, upverted contraposition, there is a one video which I posted, 10 minutes video there on this channel. So that question has been asked. If and even there is a possibility this can be asked separately, or these two can also be asked separately, as they are different topics. Next, teaching related, teaching aptitude related. Question is there from the Bloom's taxonomy cognitive domain sequence. Cognitive domain Bloom's taxonomy sequence. Bloom's, this is, see the question. RUAASE. Are you remembering, understanding, applying, analyzing, synthesis, evaluation, or knowledge, comprehension, applying, analysis, and EC, which is creative, evaluation and creative. These are the sequence of Bloom's taxonomy that is directly been there. And there is a question which is there related to evaluation types, matching. Evaluation question is there in the teaching aptitude, and there are no more questions which were informed by them in the teaching aptitude. Next, Swayam Prabha, some are saying Swayam Prabha. I think you people have to confirm who appeared for the exam. Swayam Prabha related channels has been asked. Is it channel has been asked, or else any sequence has been asked? Swayam Prabha. Those who appeared for the examination, you have to confirm in the comment box. It will be helpful for the other shift students. So these are the information. If you look at the question paper wise, total overall it is very much PYQ trend. I was keep on telling in this channel also, you can just verify whatever the charts which I posted yesterday related to environment or higher education. And there is a question related to National Knowledge Commission, Yashpal Commission. I have posted yesterday that one also, right? So please make sure that doing a PYQ of 2025 January or the 2024 June examination, these two examinations are utmost important. Keep on repeating them till your examination. Even in the evening time also, suppose if you got a triple R movie Bahubali, Dangal and Maine Pyar Kiya, these movies in a year of sequence they have asked. So try to search for these years, in which year it was released. Just it will take even 30 seconds or 40 seconds time to search. Just keep in mind, if it comes in the afternoon shift, it will be helpful to you. Those who are going for afternoon shift, I think still you didn't enter into the center. I hope it will be at 2 o'clock. So now it is only 1 o'clock. You can just look at these basic points and go to the exam, because higher possibility to repeat the same points in the another shifts. Not all points, not all the questions. There will be certain question. Even when we are solving a PYQ also, we got to know that we analyze that same things, right? Do the PYQ tomorrow. Exam people, do the revision of previous year questions of January. 16 shifts are there, total 16 question papers in January, and in June 17 shifts are there. Out of 33 question papers, try to do as many as questions possible related to this particular paper 1, and do not forget to solve at least this 16 shifts of DA, data interpretation. Out of this only one model is arrived, because percentage and ratio model is same. It was asked in here. Question may differ, numbers may change, but the process of calculation remains same. So try to understand the intents of the PYQ. When we are saying that many times, simply you people are solving only related to your paper 2 related paper 1 you are solving. Whatever the paper 2 subject, if you belong to education, only education paper 1 PYQ you are solving. That is not at all good, because our exam is conducting on multiple shifts. When you analyze the different shifts of other papers also, then it is possibility to repeat in the upcoming examination and in your paper. So do not forget that logic, because all the question papers are made for all the shifts. And according to the paper 1 paper, according to the paper 2, paper 1 questions only impacted to 2 to 3 questions. Suppose hypothesis question has been asked in education paper 2, education paper 1 also, which is same for all the paper 1 today. Right, in the evening I'll try to collect the more accurate information regarding this topic, if any, and this topic as well as evening shift related topic will be discussed in the evening. Please stay tuned to our Telegram channel as well as here in this YouTube channel, and complete the shorts. I posted 20 shorts yesterday, and there is a one marathon also which I am going to post. Please stay tuned to this channel and subscribe to this channel, and hit a like button, share with your friends. Thank you so much.